Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nanaya Tresses. So today we're going to be detangling my 2 weeks cornrows. I'm going to be unraveling them, taking them down because I'm due for a wash. So if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Nanaya Tresses. Be sure to subscribe down below. Now let's get into the video. I'm going to first use my DIY hair growth oil. The link to purchase will be down in the description box, as well as my white tooth combs. If you watched my previous video, you know why I like them, and this tiny rat tail comb for the tiny annoying knots. Now let's get started. To begin, I'm going to coat my entire hand with my DIY hair growth oil to form some form of lubrication to make this entire process easy breezy. I'm also going to be doing this in real time so you guys can actually see how I go about doing it. I'm going to wrap that in my hands, coat my entire hands with it, and wrap the rest on the ends of my hair especially, and also on the rest of the braids. I've already been oiling my scalp the entire time I was in my cornrows. Now let's get started. I'm starting from the bottom to make it easier so that I don't have any knots that might arise should I start from somewhere in the middle. I'm going to carefully detangle my hair and work my way up. If you see me looking to the side and constantly dancing in between, it's because I was listening to music. So yeah, and I don't want to rush through it so that I don't have knots and I don't have excessive breakage and shedding. So you can also grab, some wine or drink or a movie, some popcorn, or technically you can't eat the popcorn because you're detangling your hair, but just grab something while you're also detangling your hair and join me as we all detangle our hair. Okay, if you like how this video is going so far, be sure to subscribe, give me a very, very huge thumbs up, and tell me down in the comment section how you go about detangling your hair. I don't like to rush the process, so I like to take my time and gently work my hands through it. Okay, like I said, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a big thumbs up and comment down below some of your favorite movies to watch or music to play when you are detangling your hair. Also, do you detangle your hair yourself or do you go to the salon to have them help you do that? Okay, so now as I'm going along, I'm now at the end of my hair. Yay! So now I'm going to carefully run my fingers through it. Oh, it feels so soft and moisturized. I was moisturizing and sealing the entire time, so it feels super soft and the curls are defined. Like, yes, I'm feeling myself right now. So I'm going to carefully finger detangle through it. I'm going to start from the ends of my hair first and then work my way up. This is to release any form of shed hair or breaking off pieces of hair that might be lodged in between my hair. So when I'm combing through it, it doesn't snag on the others and trying to, pull them to their doom. So I'm taking my time and I'm gathering all the shed hair from finger detangling my hair. I'm going to show you guys how it looks like after I'm done. So basically, this is how much hair I lost from finger detangling my hair. Can you see it? Yes, there it is. A tiny ball of hair. I'm going to put that away. I'm going to grab my white tooth comb. I prefer the shower kind because it has the longer teeth. And take my time again. Start from the tips of my hair and then work my way up gently. If I feel any knots, I'm not going to try, yank on it. I'm going to gently work my way through it. Make sure that I get the knots out. You're also going to realize I'm going to slightly twist my head to the side and then comb through it. This is to make sure that if there are any, shed hair hiding in the crevices of my hair, I can get them as well. If you're liking how this video is going, give me a thumbs up. We both know you love this, right? So give me a thumbs up. I'm working my way gently to the top. I'm going to try and scoot forward so you guys can see how I work it when I get to the roots. Currently, like about close to 4 weeks, 6 weeks post relaxer, so I don't have a lot of crazy new growth. So when I put the comb through my hair, it's not trying to fight with me. So I'm going to gather all that shed hair from using the white tooth comb and show you guys how much hair I lost from that as well. So this is how much hair I lost. And it's quite a good amount considering this 2 weeks worth of shed hair. It's quite a good amount. So this is from finger detangling. And then this, can you see this is the finger detangling one? And then this is from using the white tooth comb. Still a good amount considering it's been 2 weeks. Yes, I'm quite happy with the results. I'm going to wrap it all into a ball to show you guys how much it is from that section of hair. Can you guys see it? For 2 weeks worth, it's quite fun. My hair feels so soft. I'm just going to twist this away so that it doesn't interfere with the rest of the hair and have me constantly combing through it and manipulating it whilst I detangle the rest of the hair. I'm going to twist it away gently so that it can be separated from the rest. Then I'm going to come back and do the rest of my hair. Yes, we are all done. And we back. Yes, I'm done. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Yes. It took me quite some time. On an average, I used about 15 minutes to detangle the entire thing. I actually went on Instagram Live. Some of you guys caught the live whilst I was detangling it in real time. So this is how much hair I lost. It's quite a good amount, for 2 weeks. If you're supposed to be shedding 100 hairs a day, it's quite good. I know some people will freak out from this amount of hair, but for me, it's quite normal. My hair feels soft. I just want to play in it all day. But I have to go and wash it. Don't you hate when your braid out looks amazing and you want to just put it in different styles, but you're due for a wash, you have to go and wash it all out. I hate it too. But I love how it feels though. And yes, I don't know if you guys noticed, but it looks as though my left side of my hair seems to be much more thicker than my right side of my hair. It's because of how I sleep, you guys. It's because of how I sleep. I'm going to try this annoying no pin top knot. It's going to look funny on my hair, so I'm just going to, shake my head off. I'm obsessed with how my hair looks. So you guys, thank you guys so much for joining me in doing this. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to comment down below to purchase the oil. The link is also going to be down below. Be sure to subscribe, comment underneath how you detangle your hair, and I'll see you next time. Oh, don't forget to give me a very big thumbs